Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How everyone is doing today? It's another update on these slip and how they're doing. But this is just a small area. This is just my hub. This is where I set my seed. Well, these are the seed I bring out because I'm getting like a sunlight. So everything coming up, I have like a potato slip I set here. You see it coming up there. That's Edo, that's a Edo right here. I'm trying to set them and give them a head start. So by the time April, they're gonna already start pushing out already. So I just transplant them. I don't want to put them out in the yard in the backyard as yet, where I plant my stuff, because the weather we ain't in spring as yet. So I'm gonna wait till April to plant my Edos. Anyhow, good morning. How you guys doing this morning? How everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing fine this morning, because I'm feeling blessed, thanks to the Most High. Just want to give you guys a little tip. Every morning I want to try and give you guys a video every morning encouraging you about eating healthy, because these days, man, you're not trying to get sick. You're trying to be as healthy as possible. So I want you guys to go on a 60-day challenge with me, and after this 60 days we're gonna go to another one. So we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna try to post on mornings about the 60-day challenge. This 60-day challenge is about waking up, and before you put anything in your mouth, you drink a cup of hot water for 60 days. You can squeeze lemon inside of it, you can squeeze ginger inside of it, but before you eat anything, drink a hot cup of tea, of water, no sugar added. It's gonna be a little difficult, but the more you do it, it's gonna be better. So every morning you get up, before you eat anything, you make sure you drink a hot cup of water. Like I said, you could add ginger, you could add even thyme. No honey, nothing. You ain't want nothing sweet, because what we're doing, we're trying to purify the body. We're trying to clean up the system, all them thing inside us that transfer blood, that transfer everything, all these lines. We got to try to clean them. So we want to drink hot water for 60 days, and we're going to talk about the result in the comment section. All right, so the 60 days hot water, at least 40 minutes before you eat anything in the morning. I know it's kind of difficult for a lot of people to do it, because especially when you got to get up and go to work for like 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, you're just trying to rush out the house. But give yourself an extra 10 minutes. Give yourself an extra 10 minutes and drink that water before you eat anything. Okay, even at night, you could also drink a hot cup of water after you eat everything during the day. Drink that hot cup of water, and then in the morning you also drink a hot cup of water before you eat anything, because the hot water help push down everything you have on your chest. It help clean your lungs, all these kind of stuff. So we have to start think about getting healthy, start to eat more healthy, and get ourselves in line, because no one, I don't think now is the right time to get sick, guys. So let's do this challenge. Let's see the result, and let's talk about it. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget the giveaway on the 16th of April. Do not forget. Do not stop comment. You have to comment. You have to be active on the channel to win this 100. You cannot just come over one day and comment one time and that's it. No, that's not the qualification. You have to be active, and on that day I'm gonna choose someone to win that $100. All right, so thank you guys. This is just some encouragement in the morning for our health. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and thank you guys for helping me reach 500 subscribers. Thank you all so much. 500 subscribers and counting. I appreciate you guys. I'm trying to get to more people, so if you guys can share the video, the channel, to other friends, because this channel is about teaching how to plant, how to take care of your plant, how to harvest without causing you an arm and a leg. I can teach you how to have a big garden for at least $50. A big garden plant up for $50. Not, you could do it other ways, but I guarantee it's gonna cost you hundreds of dollars. All right, so share the videos. Let's encourage our people to go back to agriculture, go back to the land, plant your own food. It helps you to save a lot of money. Okay, thank you all. Have a blessed and wonderful morning.